Hey friends, in this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if your camera is not working on your Windows. So please watch this video and I will guide you on how you can fix that. So this is a common error for your Windows that sometimes your camera is not working, and here's how we can fix it. First method is we need to click on the start button, go to settings. On the left pane in the list of options, you have to look for privacy and security. That's under accessibility, the one with the shield symbol. And then simply scroll down and you'll find app permissions. Now you have to click on camera. Camera access, make sure that this button is switched on. If this is switched off, then you have to switch this on. Also, let apps access your camera. Simply switch this button on, especially for all the applications that needs to access your camera like Skype, Google Meet, or any other applications that needs to access your camera. You have to enable that. Once done, close this. Then, second method is in the Windows search bar, type here camera. On the right pane, click on app settings. App permissions, make sure that all of these buttons are switched on. Background app permissions, let this app run in background. If you have chose never, then simply choose that to always or power optimize. So I'm just going with always. Scroll down and you'll find repair. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data won't be affected. Click on repair. Now, once you click on repair, try to access into your camera if this is working this time. But if not, go back to the same window. If this app still isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Click on reset and click reset button once again. Once done, close this window and then just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and make a restart of your Windows. Next method is in the device manager. Type here device manager, best match. Go ahead and click on that. Here in the device manager window, if you cannot find your cameras right here or your camera driver, click on your laptop name and click on action and then click on scan for hardware changes. You can do this for like 3 times. And you can also click on view and click on show hidden devices until you can find your camera. So once you find your cameras, click on that. Make a right click and then select disable device. Disabling this device will cause it to stop functioning. Do you really want to disable it? Click on yes. And wait for some time. And then make a right click on it again and then select enable device. Once done, if that worked for you, then good. Then you can also make a right click on it again on your camera and select update driver and then search automatically for drivers. Now the best drivers for your device are already installed. Simply close this window. Then also make sure that your Windows is up to date by clicking on the start button, go to settings. On the options on the left pane, click on Windows Update and just simply check this button or click this button to check for any updates. As also, outdated Windows can cause any issues, so might as well make your Windows up to date. So this will download and install the latest updates for your Windows. Once done, simply close this window, and then if any of these solutions helped you in fixing the issue, please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.